Hi there, welcome back to Hula Learning Studio, your source for everyday English. My name's Joe, your English specialist. Today, we are flooded with so many different slangs and expressions from millennials and Gen Z. Millennials are those born between the 80s and early 90s, like me. Gen Z are those born after 1996. And, like all generations, they come up with their own slangs and lingo. And sometimes it might sound like another language. No doubt you will find out how to use some of these and understand what these kids are talking about. So for today, let's check out 5 slangs to upgrade your English. Number 1, fam. Hey, what's up, fam? You probably heard this floating around. Fam. What does this mean? Fam is the new bro. Fam means friend. It's just a short word for family, but we don't always use it for family. We can use fam to talk about our close friends. For example, when you're meeting up with some of your friends, you can say, "Hey fam." "What's up, fam?" "How are you doing, fam?" Number 2, CEO. Now, for most of us, we know CEO as the boss of a company. But when you hear it today, CEO might have a different meaning. As a slang, CEO means that you are really good at something. You've mastered it, or you're a pro. For example, you have a friend who's really good at drawing. You could say, "Have you seen her artwork? She's a CEO." Number 3, W. Occasionally, we might come across some very fortunate opportunities or incidences in our lives. They make you sit back and appreciate life. When this happens, we could say W or win. W means that you're doing very well or succeeding. For example, "Hey, I heard you got a new job. Congrats on the W." "Thanks, man. I appreciate that." Number 4, bougie. Sometimes in life, you just want to spend some money and live the luxury life. How nice does it feel? We often use the word bougie. We use this word to describe something or someone extravagant or fancy. For example, "I'm going to stay at an all-inclusive resort in Punta Cana. I want that bougie life." Number 5, glow up. Some of you may have seen those TikTok or Instagram videos of people who show a picture of their younger selves and compares it to one from today. You might hear the term glow up. This means that someone or something has gone through a makeover or a transformation from bad to good. For example, "I haven't seen Frankie in ages. Did you see his Insta? He glowed up." Alright guys, you got this. Those were 5 slangs to upgrade your English. How would you use these slangs? Do you know of any other slangs, or would you like to ask about one? Let me know in the comments. It's been awesome having you guys here. If you enjoyed this, make sure you subscribe and click that bell button for more videos. You can also find me on TikTok and Instagram, so check those out. We also have a free English test if you want to check out how your level is. Go to my description box and use the link. Well, let's wrap this up. My name's Joe, your English specialist, and this is Hula Learning Studio. Peace.